Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL3 and exam series. This is your host Apka Consultant bringing you episode 41. So today's topic is performance indicators in Power BI, and we are going to be looking at a question based on this topic. And those of you who are new to the channel, you can check out the playlist. The link is right above wherein all the previous 40 episodes are covered and covering the latest trending questions that are regularly being asked in this exam. So yeah, that being said, let's jump and see question number 41. Yep. So the question says, when creating a dashboard in Power BI, you intend to implement alerts to be notified when the data within dashboard visuals meet certain criteria. Identify the three visual types from the list below that are compatible with the alert feature, each representing a viable solution. Your options are A card, B gauge, C performance indicator, D area chart, E column chart. So you have to identify three visual types out of the five options. It is a multiple choice question, so you can take your time. I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the solutions for this question. Your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what are the three correct options for this question. And these are card, gauge, and performance indicator. So basically, these three visuals are used to set alert types in Power BI's desktop, and then basically you use these in your charts, and then you set alert types in Power BI Workspace, right? So the feature is available in Power BI Workspace, but only then if you have these visuals used in your report. So yeah, that is only this question, and now let's see the overall explanation. As you can see, card, gauge, and performance indicators are used to set alerts. You can go through this explanation. Next slide talks about area chart and column chart, and these are not used to set alerts. Basically, for a threshold value, you cannot use them. So yeah, that covers the explanation part. Now let's look at the resources. As again, this is a Udemy course on PL300 certification, and the second link is basically on setting alerts in Power BI Workspace. So now let me switch screen and directly jump to the link of Microsoft Learn article on data alerts in Power BI service. So basically, first of all, you need a premium capacity account or maybe a pro license in order to publish a report. Then you can access various features of Power BI service, right? I don't have a license as of now, but I can walk you through this article, how to set alerts. So first of all, you can, once you publish the report, you land on dashboard, and you can select manage alerts and then select the particular visual, for example a card, and add alert rule, right, wherein a pop-up will show up, and then you can add the conditions, right. Is as easy as you can get. And basically these alerts are used to share updates with the leadership, right. If you're working in a company, you want to send notifications to regularly to leadership, to different teams, then you can use this feature in Power BI service, right. And this is a 24-hour threshold that you can get. And obviously there are different features that is on this one. Now let me just quickly walk you through a report in Power BI. So I have this sales data for 1996, where I have employee ID, region description, company name, year, month, total quantity, total sales. So basically, first of all, you need to create those visuals, right? That this is a total sales measure. Just now created it. If I talk about KPI, you can also create KPIs, drag and drop maybe total sales. Not this one, but again you can set KPIs that for example, if I set the value of target sales, let's say is let's say 250,000. Okay, this is how you create a target. And if I add the target in here, and I think target in this value is sales. uh Wait a second. In total sales, probably. Yeah, it's not working, but yeah, this is how you can utilize this function to add KPIs. And then once you publish the report in here, and then you can see the alerts getting, activated in Power BI service. So yeah, that is on this topic. Hope you like this content and make sure you follow this channel to get yourself prepared for this exam. Thank you for watching.